You guessed it right, guys. It's a barbecue night on a Monday. So after we finish work, this is what we're doing. Pork chops. So those who are vegetarian, please ignore. And then we're doing some Italian sausage. Again, pork. We eat meat. I mean, I eat meat. My kids eat meat and some peppers. Karishma always eats peppers and broccoli. Karishma, it's ready to go in. The tongs are on the right. So Karishma likes to do the needful. You want to close the bottom one too? So today we are doing the medium size egg. Big one we've given a break today. And Karishma's gonna. It's already above 400 here. Don't burn now. You'll have to burp, huh? Here we go. Pork chops going in. All fit? Looking good. Basic seasoning, right?
Just the usual.
The usual salt, pepper, some chili powder, paprika. Some people want to know the recipe, so we want those lines on it, no? You'll have to move them closer.
No.
Much closer. You'll have to. Otherwise it won't fit, no?
No, it shouldn't be so close.
No, that's fine. Rather than not cooking it, eh? Later we'll shrink it, no? Hey, Vanka. So we got a watering hose today for the garden over there. And we kind of watered the whole garden. It's smelling so fresh. We even watered some of the trees with the power of the hose. Yeah, it's fitting here.
No, it's too close.
A little closer, Karishma. There through. What are you talking?
Shouldn't be overlapping.
Yeah, it won't be overlap. There's so much space here. Looking good. Again. Turning it once. Getting the meat? Zoom in the meat. All right, one round of turning done. Let's see how it goes. This is just to baste the chops with. What is this? The barbecue sauce, right?
Yeah, but I added some spices and spicy sauce in it.
Spicy sauce you've added, and then all this.
I added some sriracha to the regular barbecue sauce.
For a Monday night, we've got a lot going on. Huh? And guys, I'm drinking my LaCroix tangerine flavor. You want some? Okay. I just closed it, so it's fine. Has to rise to 375. All right, take a break, sit down and chill. Okay, we're checking it out. Looks good. Yeah. Pork chops on. I think these are cooking first.
Yeah, that's the hotter.
Move it, yeah, that's the hotter side. It's all about interacting with the food and knowing what to do. There's no cut and dried answers, no? Yeah, we're getting ready to rock. This is our kit of what we use, and I'm going to take out the basting, what it's called, yeah. So we're going to brush some stuff on the barbecue sauce on the, want to do that now?
No, maybe one more.
Okay, Karishma knows well what to do. Let's do some basting now with barbecue sauce. Don't burn your hand, Karishma.
No.
Looks good. Yeah, boy. Look at it, Ivanka. Dad's gonna love it. Give him one fresh, no?
Yeah. has to come on.
It's ready now?
Yeah. First I'm gonna baste it this side, turn it over.
Nearly done with this, and then we're gonna have the Italian sausages going in, guys. That's next, and then some of the veggie stuff for Karishma. The good thing about summer, June, July, August, is that after work you can sit till 7, 8, 9 also doing all this barbecue, having dinner outside, chilling outside. And it's like 88 degrees Fahrenheit, so it's perfect weather. It's a little hot, but we are having our drinks and non-alcoholic drinks because it's Monday. We only have alcoholic drinks on weekends. Yeah, we're not those kind who drink every night, but it's fun. The grill is on and looking great. The smoke coming out is a good sign, basically. Yeah, so we'll come back when the sausages go on. Okay, getting it out of the grill. Karishma's too fast for me. Before I could put on the camera, she started. Yeah, go ahead. Nice. And Darren's here with his Manchester United shirt. Sausages are going in. These are not to be cooked for too long. Eat, Darren. Close it.
No, I'll just take off.
Broccoli going in for the vegetarian. Want broccoli, Darren? Broccoli? You won't douse the fire, no?
I hope not.
Just dump it, no? You want the
Then
pan?
it's good.
You want that pan? For the broccoli? Okay, getting hungry. Look at this. Okay, Karishma, how's it looking?
Good. It's all ready to come out now. I'm just gonna go grab a plate.
We don't want burnt sausages, guys. So Darren was eating with us, but he's gone to play soccer. Darren likes to go play soccer and everything, so he's just gone there with his Manchester United jersey, which you'll see in the thumbnail. Looks good.
We're standing in the wrong direction.
Anyways, that's it. Okay guys, we're gonna chow down on some sausages and pork chops and veggies and all that stuff, so we're gonna sign out now. Just these short videos to share some of our cooking on the big green egg. Today we're using the medium size, not the large. Yeah, those of you are interested, hope you enjoyed the video. Ryan Woodman 75 Instagram. Take care. Bye.